Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VAPA, Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts. And this is in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. I was here again for the after-school program in the gymnasium today, talking about positivity, being your best self, right, that you see on the screen there. And when we're talking about having a positive attitude, especially as it relates to this theme for today's presentation, it's about having a positive, outlook with everyone in your life and everywhere in your life, whether it's school, home, in the community, on your teams, your clubs, the activities that you do, of course, with the people in your life too, your teachers, coaches, parents, friends, family, etc. But also having a positive attitude even when things aren't going the best, right? Of course, when it's sunny like today here in California, it's very easy to stay positive and be able to keep your head up, like the shirt that I wear for this assembly, upside down on purpose, because when we're feeling down or sad, it's a reminder to keep our head up. But when there's also storms, more or less, not just the bad weather outside, but inside our hearts, it's not always easy to keep that positive mentality. But it's necessary, because that way we're able to, keep growing, keep learning, knowing that certain things can make us stronger if we let them, different opportunities in our life. And also understanding too that we don't have to compare ourselves to others. We can just give the effort. It's all about us doing our best, right? True excellence isn't about being the best, always going to be number one, get first place, get the trophy, get the medal. It's just about doing your best, giving the effort. If you give the effort, usually 9 times out of 10, sometimes 10 times out of 10, you're going to get the effort that you're going to get the outcome that you want. And that's with anything, with relationships, with some of the subjects here in school, with anything that we approach. We know that we just keep pushing. We can look ourselves in the mirror at the end of the day and say, I gave my all. And that's all the adults here at the school really want from any of these students too, is to just keep trying. That the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting, or it's giving up, right? We can fail over and over and over again just to finally succeed. And if we can start talking more positively to our mind and our heart, because whatever we tell it, it's going to believe, but starting to say something, positive affirmations on a daily basis. We talked about that today. In some of the videos and some of the stories, some of the music as well, that if we can plant those positive thoughts, those positive seeds in here and in here, we're going to get those positive results. And, your life's going to start looking better, better grades, more friends, higher self-esteem, just, a better outlook in general on how things are going. So the students really got that. They really did take it to heart today. And we know that part of doing our best is not only encouraging ourselves, but encouraging others, and being able to see everyone as this too. We bring that up in every program that I do, but the M on all of our palms with the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here. That M stands for miracle, upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But we truly have to buy into that, and then go out and be that light to other people's hearts, because that's what this world needs, is more positive people, spreading acts of positivity, acts of love, being their best self, doing their best. So thanks for touching my heart today. You're all beautiful. We'll see you again in 2024 for my next visit. Until then, though, have a great rest of 2023 and a start to the new year. And as always, make sure the subscribe button is pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.